idea is that for 20 minutes, one person will be drawing a known object. It'll be typically a recognizable object. It could be a bird, a cat, an airplane. And then on the other side, there will be a host of people who will be listening to headphones and listening to these marks and following along with the pencil, making inscriptions on paper. Then we will present the results.
What was your initial reaction when you saw the results?
Surprised, excited.